How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to air fry some chicken wings in my Ninja Foodi extra large grill. And I've already washed and cut my wings. Towel blotted them dry. So I'm going to season them. And somebody wanted to know what this was behind me. In the summertime when we run in the air conditioner, I don't want all my cool air to come in the kitchen or near the back door. So I put up, this is a clear shower curtain that I cut in strips. Just like you go into the freezers in the stores, it's cut in strips, so it's time to take it down because we ain't running no air conditioning now because it's very cool. So that's what this is. Shower curtain I got on hooks. And I have beaded curtain behind that. So I got one in my kitchen and one that separates my back door area from the family room. So that's what that is. But anyway, this is what I'll be using. I'll be using my yellow mustard. Before I adjust my camera, I'll be using sweet basil, citrus, and garlic rub. I think this is the healthiest chicken you can make. It'll be naked chicken. I'm just putting simple seasonings on it. Not a lot of salt at all. Whatever salt is in here, that's what's going on it. And I'm using grapeseed. I ain't got to use no oil because they're naked. Okay, let me put this up. And I may sprinkle some of this chicken crack lemon seasoning. I've had this for a while and I want to use it up. It's by the Chicken Crack people. www.chickencrack.com. I've had this a little while now. Okay. So I'm going to sprinkle this on after the wings are already done. That's when I get my best results from any type of lemon seasoning or lemon pepper seasoning. Cook your chicken first and then sprinkle it on. Okay, so I'm going to lower this. Get closer. Ouch. This is my Ninja Foodi extra large grill. I have it sitting on a, what do you call this thing it's sitting on? Glide mat. This side goes on the counter. This is a smaller one. And this side goes right up under the appliance. The appliance sits on the black side to make it glide back and forth easily on the counter. So you can get the set of 3. You get it from Amazon. It makes your stuff glide smoothly. Okay? Because you ain't supposed to use your appliances jammed up against the wall, so you got to move them. And this makes it easy. I'm going to plug it in. Move that cord out the way. Check and make sure ain't nothing in it. So I'm using my fry basket. And this is supposed to stay in here no matter what you're cooking. If you use the grill pan or fry basket, this is supposed to stay in here. This one is supposed to stay in here. So I'm going to preheat it. So I'm going to set it for air fry. Can I make this lower? Let me see. Yeah. Okay. Turn it on. I'm setting it for air crisp. 400 degrees for for 22 minutes and start. So it's going to preheat. So I'm using this preheat time to season my wings and smush them. Okay. Erase this so y'all can see what I'm doing. And move it over here. Still learning how to work this tripod. Well, I'll just tell y'all what I'm doing. Okay. Like I said, I already washed my wings and towel blotted them. Cut them into pieces. I'm going to shake on some regular yellow mustard. It's a nice swig. That's good. You don't have to go crazy with the mustard. And I'm going to put in this seasoning. Oh, I didn't shake it up. Nice amount. Seems like a lot, but it ain't. Well, it is, but I like it like this. And I put my glove on and smush it. I think this is 10 wings I cut into pieces. I'm not sure. I lost count. Like I said, I'm not putting any oil. And this is the most healthy kind of chicken you can fix. Just naked wings that are seasoned without a lot of salt. More seasoning. Oh. My grill says add food. So I'm going to add chicken, then put the seasoning on it while it's in there. And I don't want to turn the wings. I'll check and see if I have to or not. I like the flats, yeah. I mean, I'll eat it all, but I like the flats the best. Okay, I'm trying not to touch these wings. Honey, these wings gonna fit in here. Oh my goodness, I guess they can't. 'Cause I want them to get some air. Okay, spread them out. Now put some more seasoning. And when you're using this grill, be careful. Your hand don't hit none of this, because all that is hot. And you get a 3rd-degree burn. Be very careful. Okay. I'm just going to let it cook for 22 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, my chicken is done. I didn't flip it. Y'all can't see it. That's how it looks. Naked wings. No flipping. No oil. Because the skin makes its own oil. I decided not to put the lemon on here because it's seasoned enough. You don't see all this seasoning all up in here. In the meanwhile, I got other food cooking. Let's go to the other part of the kitchen. So I'm going to let this stay in here until the food gets done. I'll just move this back. I still can't see. I'm using my Cosori air fryer oven. Let me turn the light on. Got some baked macaroni and cheese in here. So I'm waiting for the top cheese to brown. And I got 2 eggs beaten up in here, so I'm waiting for that to fully cook. And got some string beans and potatoes. I decided to fix a whole meal today. Just a little. Oh, it smells so good. So I used my stove today. Okay, wait for this to brown. Then it'll be done. Then I'll dish up my plate and give y'all a taste test. Okay, let me raise this back up. I don't know if I pointed out my shirt or not, but this is my merch, Just Winging It t-shirt. I have it on in the size 3X. I could have taken a couple sizes down, but it fits. And I like it. And it don't shrink at all. It's been washed quite a few times. Just winging it. So, I'm going to end this now, and then I'll show y'all the final whole dinner, plated up. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Every goodbye ain't gone, because I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I know somebody going to ask me what's in my string beans. Okay, I diced up my potatoes real small. I got a can of string beans in there. I think I got 2 or 3 potatoes diced up real small. 1 can of string beans. My regular seasonings and some Better Than Bouillon. This stuff. This seasons real good. And my mac and cheese. Okay, I used the Kraft Dinner. You know, the big box Kraft Dinner. And I'm watching it. So after it was done, I drained the macaronis. Oh, I salted and buttered the water while it was boiling. Okay, I drained it and I put the little cheese packet in there I also put some Philadelphia, half a thing, 4 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese in it. Some mozzarella and provolone cheese. And some triple cheddar cheese. And I stirred up 2 beaten eggs up in there, poured it in there. I didn't have no milk, so I didn't put no milk in it. And here's what I got. And it'll work. And then I sprinkled the triple cheddar cheese on top. So I'm waiting for the egg to cook and the top cheese to brown. And then I will plate it up. Okay. Well, let me use this remote. I keep forgetting I got a remote. Okay, I just took my mac and cheese out the Cosori oven. And I got my plate halfway fixed. So I'm going to dish this up. Okay, y'all, here's my dinner. If you want to see how the mac and cheese looks, I'm going to cut into it. I'm filming, so don't come here talking crazy.
That's impossible.
I think I'll have a little more. You don't want none of this dinner. Wash your hands, man.
Watch them. I'm inspecting it.
You crazy. They don't know you out the nut house. Oh, I've been holding this a long time. Well, this is my thumbnail, and this is my dinner. Okay, y'all, I want to do this taste test right quick. My camera had cut off, so I had to plug it in for a couple seconds. Macaroni. Chicken, neck and wings, nice and crispy. Seasoned. String beans, potatoes. And my delicious mac and cheese. Bon appetit. If my granddaughter Brandy was here, she would tear up this macaroni and cheese. She's the one that just had Dylan, my great-grandchild. Okay, I'm gonna go eat. Plug this back in. Okay. Go for real now. Bye.